I'll be creating this look right here. So this has got black glittery eyes with nude lipstick, and I was actually planning to create this look for a very long time, and I finally did it. And I also bought this beautiful golden temple jewelry, and I think this complements my look really well. And yeah, if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching the video. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, or if you haven't followed me on Instagram, then please do so. That will mean a lot to me. So yeah, without much further delay, let's get started.
So guys, starting off with my eyebrows, I'm using this Etude House drawing eyebrow pencil. Now this is in the shade black, 06 black. I'm filling my eyebrows in. So before filling in, I have shaped my eyebrows using a spoolie, and once I've filled in, I'm again using this spoolie to smudge the color. Next, taking this gel eyeliner by Forever 52, this is in the shade charcoal. I'm applying it as the base of my eyeshadow. So since I'll be doing a smoky eye, I have applied gel eyeliner as the base. Now once I've applied, I'm smudging it using a pencil brush. You don't have to be very precise or very perfect with the smudging. Just smudge it properly because we'll be applying eyeshadow on top of this. Now taking this Prism Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm taking these colors. So starting off with this dark brown shade, I'm buffing off or smudging off my crease. Now slowly I'm building up the color and intensifying it. Once I'm happy with it, I'm taking this lighter shade and using a fluffy blending brush, I'm blending the colors towards the brow bone area. This will create a very good transition and it will look very smooth. Now taking this black shade, eyeshadow shade from the palette, I'm tapping it on the lid, and this is on the area where I've applied the gel eyeliner. Once I'm happy with this, I'm again blending everything in so that it looks smooth and a beautiful transition can be created. Now taking this pack glitter glue, I'm applying it on the black area, especially on the area where I have applied the black eyeshadow, because I'll be applying loose glitters on top of it. Now taking this Stardust glitters by Forever 52, this is in the shade Highness, I'm applying it on the top of the glue. Working with loose glitters is very tough, so make sure you do your eye makeup first and then go for your base. Now starting off my base makeup using this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base. Now this comes in two shades, one is in golden and another one is in pink, similar to the MAC Strobe Cream, and this acts as a primer and gives your foundation a very glowy and dewy finish, and you can see the glow on my face and I absolutely love it. Once I've applied it, I'll just quickly do my color correction. Now I have dark spots and black marks, so I'm using this orange corrector by Missclaire. This is their full coverage makeup base and this comes in a lot of shades. So I'm using the orange one and applying it on the areas where I have dark spots or dark marks and on the areas where I have dark circles. Now mixing these two foundation, one is by PAC and another one is by Wet n Wild. I'll mention the shade name in the description. So I have mixed both this foundation to create a foundation base which is similar to my skin tone. I've applied it and then using this wet sponge by ELF, I'm blending it in. So guys, you can see how healthy and how glowy my base is looking. And yes guys, once done, I'll highlight my face. Now for that, I'm using a lighter shade of concealer by Swiss Beauty. This is their liquid concealer and I'm applying it on the areas where I want to highlight, or basically on the high points of my face. And once I've applied it, I'll use the same wet sponge to blend everything in. So this particular concealer is very creamy and gives you a medium to full coverage, and this is a very budget friendly concealer. So if you are a beginner or looking for a budget friendly concealer, I would highly recommend this one. Now taking this medium deep shade Fitme loose powder, I'm setting my base. So I am not using any sponge to set the base, rather using a fluffy powder brush to set my base, because currently I'm having dry skin issues, so I really don't want to make my base look cakey. Now before I do anything, I'm applying this makeup fixer spray by Forever 52. Next I'm going on with this Glowish Blush. Now this is by Huda Beauty and this is in the shade Caring Coral. I absolutely love the color and it looks very pretty on my dusky skin tone. So once I'm done with the blush, I'm using this Nykaa Contour and Contour palette. Now this comes with a highlighter and a contour shade. Now taking the contour shade, I'll be contouring my face where I need shadows, and once I'm done with the contouring thing, I'll just quickly highlight my face using this same palette. Now the highlighter is a golden in color and this looks very good on dusky skin tone, and the contour shade is also perfect for dusky skin tone like me. So once I'm done with the contour, I'm highlighting my face, and for that I'm using a fluffy blending brush which I generally use for my eyeshadows. You can also use a fan brush or any other highlighter application brush. I actually don't like putting too much of highlighter. I love this subtle kind of things like subtle highlighters. And before doing anything else, I'm again spraying on this fixing spray by Forever 52. Now for kajal, I'm using this Sugar Kohl of Honour kajal. Now this is a black kajal and I'm using it to tightline my upper eyelids, and also I'm applying it on the lower lash line to give it a more smoky effect. Now once I'm done with applying the kajal, what I'll do is I'll take this dark brown shade which I've used previously from the same palette, and I'm smudging the black kajal towards the lower lash line. Now taking this golden shade, I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eyes. I haven't highlighted my inner corner for a very long time, so I really wanted to do it for this look. Now taking this mascara by Color Bar. This comes with two mascara. One is voluminizing, another one is lengthening. So for today's look, I'm applying the lengthening one, and you can see this actually looks great on my lashes, and this has actually given length to my lashes. So for lipstick, I'm using this Milane Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Covet. This is a very beautiful dark brown lip shade, and this was gifted to me by my sister. I absolutely love the color, and I'm lining my lips using this lip shade. Now for the inner part of my lips, I've been using this Forever 52 lip paint in the shade I totally forgot. So I'll mention the shade name on the screen. So guys, I never thought that pink and brown combination lips look so good. And yeah guys, this was the last step, and for the rest of the look, I have added this black bindi and this golden temple jewelry which I bought from SimSim, which was YouTube's e-commerce app, which they have currently closed. And yeah, to complete the look, I've also added a false lash and this black bangles.
So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. As I always say, also comment and share it with your friends and family. See you in my next. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay gorgeous. Love you all.